Hello guys, please welcome to the Betway Premiership Insider, and before I continue, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell for more updates. Orlando Pirates have confirmed that assistant coach Mandla Ncikazi will oversee the remainder of the season in the interim and will be assisted by head performance analyst Ryan Jacobs as well as the other members of the technical and support team. This comes after the club released a shocking statement on Monday morning that the head coach Jose Riveiro has asked to be released from his contract earlier, which set to run down on the 30th of June. Ncikazi joined the Buccaneers in June 2021 on a 3-year contract after vacating his head coaching role at Golden Arrows, having guided the KwaZulu-Natal-based outfit to a 4th place finish the previous season. After joining Orlando Pirates, he worked under then coach Yusuf Zinboa before turning into co-coach alongside Fadlu Davids for the 2021 to 2022 season. But while Davids left after that campaign, Ncikazi had been second in command for Riveiro since the Spaniards' appointment in July 2022, in which they have won 5 trophies together since. The Soweto Giants confirmed via a statement that the Kralborn mentor will be in charge of the club's last 4 matches against the TS Galaxy, SuperSport United, AmaZulu and Magesi FC. The remaining matches of the season will be overseen by assistant coach Mandla Ncikazi, who will take charge of the team on an interim basis. While on the other hand, Orlando Pirates have signed Sinoxolo Kwaiba from Chippa United to further strengthening their squad ahead of the next season. According to the information at our disposal, the midfielder has penned a long-term deal with the Buccaneers after both clubs agreed on his transfer. The 25-year-old has scored 6 league goals in 23 appearances for the Chile Boys this season. He was reportedly on the radar of a number of clubs after breaking into the Bafana Bafana setup. Although both clubs have yet to officially announce the deal, the Motherwell-born player will don the famous black and white jersey of Pirates in the new season. The club agreed to let him go to Pirates as they believe the move will benefit him financially. His football can only grow from here. I expect him to be a regular player for Bafana Bafana if he does well at Orlando Pirates next season, and I'm confident he will do that. As Kwaiba was part of the South Africa's COSAFA Cup squad in Gqeberha last year, where he played 2 matches. He also replaced Teboho Mokoena in Bafana Bafana's 5-0 win over Congo Brazzaville in an Africa Cup of Nations qualifier at Nelson Mandela Bay Stadium.